Hey everyone, in this video we'll be showing you setting up of our Christmas countdown calendar. We got this from Michael's. This is a part of their grab bag. They're given the instructions here and we're trying to set it up. It was told that it will take some 30 minutes or something, but it took more than 1 hour for us to set up this house. All these things are made up of foam boards. It's kind of peaceful to break down these things and assemble them. This has the countdown for 12 days. It looks like a chimney. Let's fix some windows. We'll keep this Christmas box here. Okay, this looks like a snow. Yes, it is snow. And that's a Christmas wreath. Well, this is after 30 minutes and we're adding bricks, reassembling. And now it's time to add stocking and Christmas tree. Okay, we can decorate this Christmas tree. That's a cute dog. These are the ornaments. Last but not least, Santa Claus. Every day we can remove one brick. This is fun and interactive. This is our first countdown calendar. And this is our second countdown calendar that we got from Target last year. This can be used in multiple ways by keeping small goodies, but this year we are just keeping candle. This is the first Advent calendar that we prepared in 2019 with Dollar Tree frame and gift tags. Again, this is highly customizable. We have added Bible verses and daily activities here. And here's a question for y'all. How many Christmas videos are too many Christmas videos? Do comment down below. And please like, share and subscribe to Via Tales. Thank you.